Yeah. So the suit. Yeah.
Were you
So
talking about Dwayne? You're such a racist.
Fuck you.
that's terrible.
Zoom in on the third one.
This one here?
Yeah.
That's a Spider-Man, isn't it? That's
No.
different. What's that?
I think that's the Shocker's gauntlet
Oh,
because it's broken. That's got to be the Shocker's gauntlet.
well, it doesn't say here too. Doesn't say here. So, $230. Pre-sale orders it is today. Well, today when this came out, which was the 19th of November. So pre-orders are live already. It's limited to 1,000 pieces too.
At Mondo.
Mondo.com. This is not available at Cartoon Rewind. It is not. And my last one is, let me see. Good price point, but it's Godzilla. Godzilla. You should see him there. It's like Godzilla on fire.
He's on fire.
This monster is on fire.
That's
So,
before he.
I thought,
That's when he goes nuclear.
look at up there. It's not as good as the Transformers Godzilla, but it's pretty close.